In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not sending code. It's frustrating when you need a verification code and it doesn't arrive, but don't worry, we will go through a series of steps to resolve this issue together. Let's dive right in. First, wait a few minutes. After you request the verification code, give it some time. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the system processes your request. Sometimes delays happen due to network issues or server overloads. By simply stepping back for a few minutes, you give the system the chance to catch up. This little pause can often resolve the issue without needing further action. You can use this time to check other things, but stay close by just in case the code arrives. Next, check your spam folder. Open your Gmail and look for the spam section. This is an important step because sometimes legitimate emails accidentally land in the spam folder. Look for the verification email amidst the other messages. If you find it, open it and follow the instructions. If it's not there, do not worry. This just means we need to try other methods to locate your code. Now let's search your mail. Open Gmail and use the search bar at the top. Type in the sender's name or simply enter verification code. This search can quickly narrow down your emails. By doing this, you may discover the email you're looking for without sifting through your entire inbox. It's efficient and can save you time. If nothing appears from this search, we will keep trying different approaches. After that, check other folders in your Gmail. Open the Promotions folder first, then move on to the Updates folder. Don't forget to check all mail and even trash. Sometimes emails can get misplaced in these other categories. If your verification code was sent recently, it might have ended up in one of these folders. Checking every possible location is essential to ensure you don't miss any important messages. This thoroughness helps you address the issue effectively. Next, verify your email address. Make sure you entered the correct Gmail address when you requested the code. A simple typo can prevent the email from reaching you. Double-check the spelling and format of your email address. This step is vital because it confirms you are using the right information. If everything looks correct, you can move on to the next steps without worry. From there, check your Gmail storage. Ensure that your Google account has available storage. If your storage is full, new emails, including verification codes, may not come through. You can check your storage status by going to your account settings. If you find that you are out of space, take a moment to free up some room. Deleting unnecessary emails or files can make a big difference and restore your ability to receive important messages. Next, check your filters. Open Settings in Gmail and click on See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can review any filters that may be blocking the sender of the verification code. Removing any filters that could interfere is crucial. This step helps ensure the code can come through without being blocked or redirected. Lastly, avoid requesting the code repeatedly. This can cause confusion or delays. Instead, consider using a recovery email, phone call, or an authenticator app if available. These alternatives can help you get the verification you need without unnecessary hassle. Always remember, staying calm and following these steps will help you resolve the issue. Thank you for watching, and good luck.